Okay, here's a look at the market for Friday, Feb 4, 2011. Going into today, we still had our up bias on an intraday basis, and we were looking for the market to potentially bottom in the 1301 area. Then the next one was 1299. Then we had other areas below, and so this is the profile from overnight. You can see that overnight dipped a little bit below that 1301, just by just by a tick. And the low was 1300.75. And so stayed above it. As you can see, the regular trading hours opened right in this level, just below 1305, and then initially sold off and came down and made a low relatively early in the day, just below the 99 area. It hit 98, turned around, and basically rallied for the rest of the day. So this up auction obviously is continuing on an intraday basis, and we expect to see new highs again next week. Even though the economic news that was released this morning on the employment situation was, yeah, I guess anybody can have an opinion on that, but it appeared to me that it wasn't all that positive. There were some good things in there, certainly because the employment rate did come down, but the number of jobs being added is not all that strong. So, at any rate, the market, basically shrugged it off and ended up near its high. So expecting more follow through come next week. So on Monday we're really looking for probably upper support is probably around 6, and then the next support could be just below that around 4, and then of course our next one is down at 1301. So there are some areas of support, the main one around 1301 and possibly at 6 or 4. So that's really what we're looking at, and want to monitor it overnight on Sunday evening to see if which of those areas holds and doesn't hold. You can see a little bit more detail here. These are the profiles of the regular trading hours only. The one that we just looked at with a gray background includes the overnight session as well. So you can see here that the market, both days, opening here and dipping down, opening here, dipping down, both days ending towards their highs. So market is still looking pretty bullish. Here is our software and our trades for today. We did not have a lot of action. Of course, the day's total range today was 10 points, and just kind of made that late in the day. So we did have an indication to get long here, but did not take it with the red filter. And then in the intraday up auction, we had a couple of setups, I should say, to get short, but intraday up and neutral filter did not take it. There was the opportunity for a nice long right here within the intraday up and green intraday up. This green here indicating our intraday or within the day time frame that there's a good bullish sentiment. And so the market did come down here, but this was very late in the session and only hit our price right on the tick. So, making that trade very, very late with only about 10 minutes to go, 15 minutes to go, which was, I think it was just a minute or so, minute or two before the cash market closed. So not really the best time to take a trade at any rate, even though everything was in its favor. It came down and did hit our price, and then have a bit of a move up. Not a lot, but was nice to at least take a little something out of the market. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@emini daytrader. Always enjoy hearing your questions and comments, so don't hesitate in getting a hold of us. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. We'll see you again on Monday.